Nowadays, most people have a smartwatch to track their fitness activities and also health. I've used so many different smartwatches over the years, and knowing my health status on a daily basis has helped me to stay on track with my workouts, diet, and also sleep. The more data and knowledge you have in regards to your own body, the better you can manage your health. So, after using so many different smartwatches, what should you look out for when it comes to choosing the right watch to monitor your health? What are the functions you need? That's what I'll be sharing in this video. The first and most important element is the battery life. I mean, wouldn't you get annoyed if your watch dies midday or worse, halfway through your workout because you've forgotten to charge it? Well, that has happened to me way too many times before this. Hence, this really affects the accuracy of tracking my health activities. Since trying the Huawei Watch 3, I never have to worry about this issue anymore because this watch can last up to 3 days in smart mode and 14 days in ultra long battery life mode. This is the smartwatch with the strongest battery life in the industry. And good news guys, the Huawei Watch 3 will be launched in Malaysia really soon. As a fitness enthusiast, I want a watch that can offer me all-day health monitoring. And that's what this watch does best. The Huawei Watch 3 is based on the new TrueScene 4.5 Plus heart rate monitoring technology, which intelligently monitors blood oxygen saturation 24/7 and takes care of your blood oxygen health around the clock. So why is it so important for you to track your blood oxygen levels? When you're engaged in outdoor activities at different altitudes, by monitoring your blood oxygen saturation, you can assess your physical condition in real time and adjust the intensity of the current fitness. The data can let you understand how your body reacts to the changing environment. When you work long hours without taking any breaks, you'll need more oxygen to fuel your brain. However, the human body can only take in limited amount of oxygen. So as a result, overworking can cause dizziness, fatigue, poor memory, slow response, and even serious damage to the brain. So by monitoring your blood oxygen and sleep habits, this will help you to prioritize your health and take the appropriate breaks when necessary. If you look at the middle part of the back of the case, the corresponding sensors are arranged nearby. So when the watch is worn and the skin is close to the sensor, you can faintly see a red and green light. With Huawei's self-developed heart rate algorithm, you can understand your heart rate in real time during exercise and guide you to exercise in a more scientific way according to your fitness goals. At the same time, the Watch 3 can also monitor your stress state in real time and provide breathing suggestions. By practicing mindful breathing when you are stressed out, this can help you to manage your emotions and anxiety. This is a really useful feature for your mental health. I wear this watch to sleep every night to monitor my sleep patterns. With the Huawei AI technology, it accurately identifies 6 typical sleep problems, such as difficulty falling asleep, light sleep, easy waking at night, multiple dreams, irregular work, and rest. So by viewing the sleep report, you can know in detail your REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep time ratios and intervals. For example, if there is too little deep sleep the night before, you can make adjustments by avoiding high-intensity physical activity or reduce your caffeine intake closer to bedtime. One thing I really love about this watch is that it supports more than 100 types of sports, including common sports such as running, spinning, weightlifting, HIIT, and yoga, as well as niche sports such as snowboarding, karate, horse riding, skateboarding, and more. So, whatever sports you're into, you'll be able to track it with this watch and check the exercise data on your mobile phone. So you can view your exercise time, calories burned, heart rate curve, heart rate interval, and more. The Watch 3 series also supports dual GPS, which provides more accurate and precise routes for outdoor sports. Finally, because of the eSIM function, this watch also supports fall monitoring and SOS call for help. Now, this is an especially important feature for your elderly parents who live far away or even for sports enthusiasts. Say, in the event that there is a fall detected, the SOS function will be turned on and it will enter into distress mode. The user will then have an option to select emergency call, I fell but it's okay, or I didn't fall. However, in the event of an emergency, you can also trigger the SOS emergency help process by pressing the up button 5 times. The eSIM can be purchased through your local operators in Malaysia. For me, a good smartwatch is beyond recording simple health data. It can also provide the users with better health management assistance. And that's what I really like about the Huawei Watch 3. It has great battery life, provides real all-day health management, as well as detailed analysis reports and recommendations on your diet and exercise. Some of you might be wondering, do I need to be a Huawei mobile phone user to use this watch? Nope! You can use this watch no matter what phone you use, whether it's an iPhone or other Android phones. So, once you have your Huawei watch, simply scan the QR code in the box and download the Huawei Health app to connect. It is that simple. So let me know in the comments below, how do you track your health and fitness? And also, what are the important features you look out for? If you find this video to be useful, then do give this video a thumbs up and share it on with your friends and get them to start tracking their health and fitness. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and check out a lot more fitness videos on my YouTube channel. All the best!